Every woman, I guess, again goes back to the program, people pleaser. We always want to put our family first, our husband first, our children first, and then the last. ये जनरेशन से आ रहा है, अब से नहीं. तो इतना ये ओनली इंडिया में नहीं है, पूरे प्लैनेट में ऐसा ही है. एनी वुमेन सेम प्रॉब्लम आई डील विथ. एंड इसीलिए इवन बिजनेस में आप आते हो या करियर में एम्बिशन आता है. जैसे अगर मैनी वुमेन आई वर्क विद कैरियर वुमेन, व्हेन दे गेट एम्बिशियस एंड घर में कम टाइम हो तो गिल्ट आ जाता है, अरे यार मैं घर में कम टाइम दे रही हूँ, मुझे और टाइम देना चाहिए. और दुख, दो सक्सेसफुल हो करियर में पर दुखी होते हैं क्योंकि वो गिल्ट ट्रिप होता है. तो ये सब बिकॉज ऑफ दैट प्रोग्रामिंग की हम पहले सबको फैमिली आना चाहिए, ये आना चाहिए, वो आना, उसके बाद हम. So that what I teach is first, value yourself. Be like, you are worthy, you deserve happiness, you deserve everything, you deserve rest, you deserve, it's not that only after you do this then it comes to you. You don't need that standards. You create standards, you create your own boundaries. You tell them, you know what, after 5 I don't work. और मैं इतना काम कर सकती, I'll cook one day, at least in US, I cook one day, you cook one day, things like that. So we have to be, and that confidence comes only when we know that, what, I'm worthy, I'm value myself, my time is important, my happiness, my space is important as much as it is. So that we have to cultivate in ourselves, and that's a habit. It's a mindset shift. So we start with that, is self-love. Having more of self-love, creating things to do. It's not just about going into a spa or a vacation. It starts with small things like if I say something wrong or do something wrong and not telling yourself, oh gosh, why did you do that? You're such an idiot. Why did you go dress? You don't look good. All these little things are self-love. So we have to start changing that pattern. You know what? I am beautiful. I do this every time. I sit in front of the mirror and I say, oh my gosh, you're so beautiful. Oh my gosh, you're like this. So keep telling yourself, I love myself. I love myself. I am beautiful. My hair is so, if people are, oh, mera hair kitna kharab hai aaj. Oh my gosh, we all say these things. So, I have such beautiful hair. We start saying these words to ourselves. This practice, like going to stand in front of a mirror and keep saying. Initially, they're like, you know what, I know it is not true, but I'm still saying. But as you keep saying it, it gets more real. So that's how we start self-love. And meditation, taking time for meditation is self-love. Because we think, oh, I have to cook for children, I have to do this, then I can sit and meditate. No, schedule it. That is your priority. That is self-love. Meditation is self-love. Taking care of your body is self-love. Gymming, like going to gym, yoga, whatever it is, that is self-love. Because you're taking care of your body, you're loving your body. Because most people think, oh, that's the last priority. So all these things have to shift. Then I put all that under self-love. So when we start this small acts of self-love, then we start changing how we see ourselves. And then we don't seek approval from other people to say, oh, you're beautiful. Or if somebody tells me I'm fat, it doesn't bother me anymore because I know who I am. Because that is the first thing conversation, right? If you meet somebody, अरे यार बहुत weight lose किया या बहुत weight gain किया, that is the first thing people talk about, unfortunately. And that doesn't bother me because now the love is within me. I'm not seeking that approval from anybody who meets me. So I'm complete within myself. So that starts with self-love.